Hi, are you feeling completely frazzled? Are you feeling like your chest is really tight? Are you feeling like you can't breathe properly right to the bottom of your lungs? Are you feeling like you can't have a nice restful night's sleep? Do you wake up in the morning feeling like you have been awake and asleep and awake and asleep? Well, I'm here to help you. These really could be the symptoms of your menopause. There's nothing that you're doing wrong. They're just a change in your body as you naturally grow older. And sometimes with the lifestyle that we have or the foods that we eat, they don't agree with us and they don't help with that transition. So I'm going to show you, well, in this video, I will show you a couple of points that will really help you calm any panic and paranoia, any agitation, because I've been there. I know what it's like. Just as I was coming up to my 40s, I'd had 3 children in 3 years. And as I came up to perimenopause, which is just before menopause, my body my hormones went crazy. It was kind of like I was on overdrive all the time, a little bit like a car where you're putting too much petrol, and my heart was beating too much. I couldn't sleep properly. I had brain fog. I was very overweight and I couldn't lose the weight. But I used my knowledge of Chinese medicine, acupressure points, and qigong energy exercises to bring my body back to balance. I'm 52 now. My twin boys are 18 and my little one is 15, and I am feeling great. You know, my body has changed, but I would say my passion for life, my libido, my relationship is good. My sleep is really good. There's probably only like one night out of the month that I might be kind of bothered by any insomnia, but I know what to do. And I'm here to help you. If this is how you feel, come on, let's do a point together and see if it helps. I used to be standing in the queue in Lidl thinking, oh my God, I'm never going to make it to the checkout because the anxiety and panic is just so much, but it's not you. Don't worry, you can actually really change it quite easily. So first off, let's find a great acupressure point for helping to calm the heart, reduce palpitations, and just generally calm the energy so it comes down from the chest and down to the belly, because that's where we feel the safest. That's where we feel most secure. So take your thumbs, put them under your armpits, and bring the middle finger right into the center of your sternum here. Now, it might feel a little bit tender. Just press and release, press and release. Massage. You can even play your sternum. You might find that there's points along the sternum. Give a bit of a tap. I won't do that too much because I'm a microphone crazy, but just massage and press. And see, as you feel massage and press, do you feel your energy calming down? Do you feel your stomach relaxing? Because the other thing that can, I mean, your body is a whole system. The other thing that can happen is when we're really agitated is when we start to get stomach problems. We get acid indigestion, stomach cramps, we get bloating. The digestion doesn't work properly if the hormonal system is out of balance. So we can use acupressure, food medicine, and qigong exercises to go from frazzled to fabulous. And that's what you could do if you work with me. I have lots of different ways you can work with me. Simple one-to-one sessions where we go through acupressure points. To 3, you can book 3 of those and get little videos. But what I'm talking about here is frazzled to fabulous. This is probably not for everybody. It's a real VIP package. And it's working with me for 6 months, and we build a course for you. So we go through, have a body dialogue, and we create self-shiatsu routines that you can practice every day. Qigong routines that are just for you to calm the kidneys, to calm the heart, to make your digestion better, to stop your hot sweats, make your hair nice. I know mine's probably a bit of a mess, but make it nice and sleek and shiny. Stop your fingernails from breaking. Stop any kind of breakouts that you get. These are all hormonal problems. And with Frazzled to Fabulous, working with me for 6 months on an individual bespoke course that I create for you with over 25 videos, This is the support that you need to really make those changes. How many times have you been to the doctors and you come out maybe with a prescription? Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't work. You can't remember if you're supposed to eat the cream, make a tea with it, put it on your skin. There are just so much information out there, and there's no two women the same. So all that information might not be relevant to you. You might need more. You might, for example, Agnus castus is a great remedy if you are already still having periods and you can't sleep, and that will really calm the heart. But if you have passed the point where you have stopped having periods, Agnus castus isn't going to work for you. Do you see what I mean? So really, this is about taking some time for you. If you want, you can hop on a call with me and we can chat about it and see what would suit you. You don't have to launch straight into the VIP. You can take 3 sessions and then upgrade from there. Really, I know how debilitating it is, and life is short. You don't want to spend it just thinking, how long is this menopause going to last? You want to have a great libido. You want to feel juicy. You don't want your joints to ache. So let's work together. I really look forward to chatting with you and connecting you into the own powerhouse that you are, so you can follow your joy and follow your destiny. May you be happy and may you be well. May I be happy, may I be well. May all beings everywhere be happy, safe, and well. Get in touch if you need me.